My name is Darren Bradley. I'm the CEO of Masteel UK Limited.
Yeah, I'm Neil Burns and I'm the Works Manager at Masteel UK Limited.
We are a high-grade stockist of special metals, a materials profiler and also a metals solutions provider to major projects around the world, internationally and both in the UK.
At Messer, we've had a long-standing relationship with Masteel. We've had the old machine in for over 15 years, and when the Masteel approached us for a new solution, it was great to be able to come back in there and continue that relationship. They made it clear that this is the first investment of many to come.
Messer provided us with a number of different options based on our requirements, and they also assisted us in providing the right details so that we could make the right choice in choosing the correct machine.
Sometimes we had capacity issues and we're able to do bigger plates now, we're able to do thicker materials, just generally improve production.
In terms of our choice of a Messer cutting machine, it came down to the quality of the product, the reliability of the service, and over 15 years having a solid track record in servicing Masteel UK's requirements.
I've been doing this for many years, bought many machines from Messer, always found them reliable, long lasting. The service backup has been second to none.
The customer seems very happy with the new solution. With the new height sensing and the internal ignition, we reduce setup times and increase productivity within the workshop. We've also got a bigger footprint which allows more flexibility overall, and we've actually extended the machine from its predecessor and even allow for multi-plates for even further reduced setup times.
Although the installation is still relatively new in terms of our machine, at this moment in time we're already seeing efficiency improvements. It's enabling us to open different markets in terms of the size of components we can cut, and also the quality of the product is outstanding.
So far we've been able to cut some bigger components, we've been able to contact customers that use bigger components that we were unable to quote for before, and we're able to now do up to 300 mil, whereas before we had to stop at 160.
The new flame cutting machine is our second Messer machine that we've purchased over the last 15 years, and I'm sure that it won't be the last.
New main features of the new MultiTherm as opposed to its predecessor: the upgraded cast console, the upgraded torch systems, and we've got the bigger footprint. What this has done is managed to increase productivity and therefore reduce lead times for our customer.
This machine investment will help us become more efficient and also enable us to provide different new markets in terms of what we're doing, and hopefully we can reduce our operating costs when offering value-added services for cutting metals.
It's the height sensing, I think, that's going to improve things for us. It leaves the operator free to do different things, obviously still monitoring the machine, but with the height sensing it just maintains the quality of the cut.
Masteel are very knowledgeable within their cutting technology, and they're very knowledgeable in understanding the parameters and the technology behind the cutting as well. When they do call us or they do need us, we know that there is something that they need help with, and we're always there to provide that.
We had our old machine for 15 years and it's still working perfectly the day we took it out, so with the improvements they made in the new machinery, it's only going to be an improvement to our business. I'd recommend Messer mainly because of the quality of the product. The service in the UK is always what we need. If we have a breakdown, they always respond in a timely manner and always find that if there is any issues that they get resolved quite quickly. Look at the quality of the product, speak to other people in the industry, and just get advice, because most people who use Messer continue to use Messer year in, year out, so they can't be wrong really.